Saada, talk and party live, voice chat, join groups, game, talented hosts, interesting channels, finding common hobbies, sharing moment, messages, group voice chat. And Saada offer you real people connection. You will be building connections with real people through texting and voice chatting. Live group voice chat room, fascinating gifts and medals, peaceful and respectful community, authenticity and reliability. And then you can just open it up. So let's just try double click to install it. And so yeah, that's the idea. I don't know how legit is this app, but there you have it. Amazing social experience. You can just open it up, and then you can see here how you can create your account: Google, Apple, phone number, TikTok, Facebook. So here you can just select your country, and then you can select and then you can just chat through here. You can see how it looks like. You can see inbox. You can see profiles. I don't know how legit is this app, but that's what it is.